Next up, charged interaction for crown. For this, we need to find and take the explosive charge from the Zaya Observatory tunnel entrance, then deliver the charge to a dead drop to neutralize the timer, then take the charge and deliver it to the shopkeeper in Koschei Complex. This is a loaded mission and best done with friends, but you can do it solo, as you really need to go to Al-Mazrah, pick up an item, then go to the factory section of the Koschei Complex, drop it off, and that's it. You can do this in one life, and solo, it just takes a little bit of luck and preparation. So for this, we'll go to Al-Mazrah and give it a shot here. Nothing too special is required. Right, so I need to head to where is it? Here, I think? Yeah, that's where we picked it up previously. Then we'll go to the dead drop by Akdar village, I think. No, there's one in Zaya. Right, so we're going to take it to a dead drop. We'll go ahead and put it in here. And now it's paused. We can take it again, hop back in the chopper, and head to the Koschei Complex. It can be done in any dead drop. It's just useful to grab it at the Zaya Observatory and use the Zaya Observatory dead drop as well. Let's see, look for keys. I think it's here. Yeah, I got it. Now we got to go north. So we're going into the factory now where the boss is. So coming into the factory area, after finding a key, we'll head to the shop, which is just on the south side of this very north section here, the factory. With this pause charge, and you take it to the extraction cache, drop it in here, and just like that, the mission should now be complete. Sweet. So, thank you all for watching. That's been Charged Interaction. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.